a push rod because the ones I've got are the wrong diameter on the thread. I noticed that one push rod has a thinner thread diameter than the others. So I'm just going to do one. Use my grinder. Die. There we go. Let's cut a new thread. Looks quite good. So we'll see that, and then I'll match it up to the other push rod. I've got one of those Sentry push rod measuring tools, so we'll try that. There we go. All done. All the same length. Two new push rods sorted and re-threaded, so yeah, it's all loose. They're all very much loose, which is good, but they're firm on the balls. So all I wait for now is just another bearing, the flange bearing, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Hi folks, welcome back. Just an update. Sorted out the two front doors. They now fit really nice, but as always, there's always little bits to do, and I just wasn't happy with the way these rear doors fitted. So what I've done is I bought some hooks or door catches. Here we go. I've got these off of eBay, spring loaded, really good. They will be trimmed, but it obviously meant I had to take the doors off and then recut them. Here is one that I have been working on, so that's come up nicely now, and that's always done. Just got to have the red and the white stripe. But yeah, it's been a bit of a pain in the neck. These doors are horrendous, and it was a massive problem for the guy, I think it was Dennis Stretton, who did the Model Helicopter World magazine, and he had trouble fitting the doors because they just would not fit in the fuselage because of the quality of the fiberglass. But yeah, I mean, I'm starting to make headway, and I'll do some shots as we go along. Okay, thanks for watching as always. There we go, so there's been a bit of rubbing, it's starting to look good. A bit more resin or dolphin, whatever it's called, epoxy, so that should go, or body filler, that's it. So that's some dolphin body filler, which is great for the fine scratches, etc. And it sets really, really quick. So there we go, so we'll fill all that in. And then we'll get that done. Just giving it a coat of primer, just to see where all the ridges are from the filler, and then I'll use filler putty to clear them. But yeah, it's starting to take shape now. We'll get there. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm just going to use the heat gun just to flash it off a bit quicker. As you can see, it's looking really good now. Once I get the stripes on, it should be fine. Nice and shiny. I've sanded between coats.
Local detectives were now dealing with a murder. Something like this sent shockwaves through the tight-knit community.
Well, this would be a typical rural farming community. So where they're quite typical rural back kind of area.
The village itself, I'd say, would only have, I don't know, we even have 100 people in it. You know. But the parish, the wider parish, even that is pretty small. So everybody would know each other.
No one would have thought that such darkness and artificiousness could spread in that community and to a family like the Wheelers.
I think every household in the country would have really felt for the Whelan family because as far as people were concerned, people were
Did you stop using drugs? Yep. You have any proof that that's not true?
And later today,
You have date stamped pictures that indicate that your stuff was in his house after September 4th.
Yes.
There we go. All
Right.
done.
Let me see. I'd love to see that also.
Totally repaired.